This is my 2003 Toyota Sequoia, and it definitely did not come with wireless CarPlay from the factory. But in a couple minutes, we're going to change that. We're installing the CarPodGo T3 Pro. What it is a portable wireless CarPlay screen, and it's honestly one of the easiest upgrades that you can make to your vehicle. All right, so I got the box here. I already cut it open. Let's do a little unboxing. You got our unit here. Got some wires, I believe. It's gonna go with this here. This is a backup camera. I'm not gonna be able to install that in this video, but it's something that I do want to do. I think it'll be handy to have. We've got a mount here, another little wire, but this is the main attraction here. So you can see right on the box, 60 frames per second, CarPlay. There's our unit, the screen here. Set that to the side for now. And inside here, you got your base. Here we go. This is what they recommend using. You have your base here in this little neck. This will permanently mount onto your dashboard. And it's the most stable one that they send you. I'm going to end up using the windshield one, the windshield mount that I have here, just so I can move it back and forth and show you guys what it looks like in the Corolla also. A couple bases, little owner's manual, some 3M tape, and a power cord. So I got it out of the packaging here. You can see in the back, it includes this very strong magnet. So that'll just go on to whatever base that or whatever mount that you're going to be using. That will clip right back onto the back here. That is very strong. You're not going to have to worry about this falling off its mount as you're driving. So the CarPodGo has an 8.9-inch fully laminated screen. You might be wondering what a full lamination screen is. It's a display where the glass, touch layer, and LCD panels are bonded together into one solid unit using a special optical adhesive. So this is something that's common on high-end products like iPads. It's going to eliminate the air gap in between the layers, and it's going to give you a much nicer, clean-looking screen. The screen is 720p and features 60 frames per second. So when you're scrolling and swiping, everything's going to stay nice and fluid and seamless. All right, so we're back in the Sequoia. We're going to get this installed. I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is. So on the back here, you can see that you have your different little ports. We have our power. We have audio, AVN, mic, and USB right here. So I'm just going to take the power cord and plug that into the power. And then I have our windshield mount here. Take that off there. Loosen this up, extend the arm, and then that'll stick onto the windshield. There's a little clamp here. And then also on the back here, loosen that up and you can extend it. So on the back of the screen, we're just going to loosen this up, insert the ball, and then we'll tighten that back down. This adjusted about where I want. We're just going to tighten everything down now. Now we have the cord. I have a couple places I can plug in down here. Plug that in down here. I'm going to open up my glove box. And for now, I'm just going to take this excess wiring and just set that inside of here. Close that back up. All right, so I got my phone here also. We're going to go to Bluetooth. You can see it shows the name here. I'm going to swipe down on my phone. You can see it right here. We are going to connect to that. And it's that simple. Now I have all my music, everything I could want on here. We can change a couple things. And you can see that I have this here. So what I need to do is match that. You can go through and you can play any of your music and stuff through the FM transmitter. So there you can hear it's playing the podcast. You can scan through, fast forward. And it's very good quality. There's no static. That could change depending on where you're at. You might just play with the stations a little bit. But very nice, clear audio. One other cool thing that you can do here, we'll go under settings. We'll go display. You can change the brightness, you can change the wallpaper, the logo. So we can change this to a different color. I'm gonna do that blue and purple. We're gonna go logo now. And since this is gonna be in my Toyota, we will put the Toyota logo on here. They have all these different ones. Right there. Set as logo. You got your Toyota logo. So one of my favorite features is you still have access to Siri. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? And there you can see it pulled up the weather. Hey Siri, navigate me to Sprouts. Here it's going to show all the different Sprouts around here. Alright, so fast forwarding just a little. I've been using this for a little over a week, and it's been great having maps in here. Everything is very snappy and smooth. I love that I'm able to listen to my music through the FM transmitter, since this doesn't have Bluetooth, like I said before. Being able to make phone calls on here has been excellent. The microphone on here is really good. My family could hear me. I don't have to speak up. It just picks up your voice nicely. And I really couldn't ask for anything more. Actually, one thing that I would like, which I guess would be technically illegal to use on the road, but having YouTube or Netflix and all that stuff would be kind of nice, because like when you're sitting around, you can pop that on for the kids. They can watch that from the back seat. But like I said, this laminated screen is really nice. It's very responsive. For me, another thing that's really nice, I'm able to have on X. My goal is to use this for camping, and having on X on here is just going to make that so much easier. I won't have to use my phone, just pull it up on here, no problem, and I'll be able to follow, all the trails and everything that I need to see. So one thing, being able to switch from day mode to night mode with just a swipe of the finger, it's pretty convenient.
So if you're driving something old like my Sequoia back here and you want a modern wireless CarPlay experience, smooth 60 frame per second screen, fast response, flexible audio options like Bluetooth and FM, I would say the CarPodGo T3 Pro is a no-brainer. Let me know down in the comments, would you put one of these in your car? And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.